Hello, it's Juanita Wright from the Right Home Expert, and today I'm going to show you this beautiful townhome, luxurious townhome built by Toll Brothers. So we're going to go by there. So this is where the pool is. I'm going to show you where the pool is, and then a couple of the townhomes. What I like about this area is right beside Buckhead, because this one is over by Morningside. So I think I showed you guys a video a little while ago from that same area. Well, now I'm going to show you another one not too far from there. So I'm going to be showing you, they're just being built right now. They've just been released, and they're starting at the high 700s. So it's a really, really good deal. As you know, Toll Brothers is an amazing builder, and they always really look at details. Okay, so let's show you some of the amenities that they're building right now. Okay, so this is where the pool is going to be at. And then these are the two ones that are going to be over here. And then next to Toll Brothers, it's a little bit on the road, but that's okay. And then this is how the place will look. Okay, so it's in a nice quiet area. And we're just going to go right now. Hi everyone. Okay, we're now in the home. So I'm going to show you this beautiful home. We're going to start off with the office that's downstairs, and then we'll go all the way up. Okay? If you have okay, so this is we are finished our tour, and I hope you really enjoyed it. Just giving you some more information. So it is, there are going to be 3 bedrooms and 4 bedrooms in these properties. They are beautiful townhomes. They're actually 4 levels, because you also get the basement, which has the garage, and in some of the homes they actually have an office on the first level. The other great thing about it is there are going to only be 60 homes in this area. Right now, 30 of them have been sold out, and there's going to be another 30 that are going to sell out really quickly because they have some amazing incentives. One of the incentives they have is that you can use $20,000 towards your closing costs, upgrades, or you could buy down your mortgage rate. So that's very fabulous, but it's not going to be for much more longer. So if you're interested, please feel free to call me. Also, I have to tell you that because it's beside Buckhead and beside Midtown, they have the best schools. As you know, Midtown and Buckhead have amazing schools. So a lot of people are wanting to move in this area. So the value of your home will go up really, really quickly. Also, they have an amazing terrace, rooftop terrace, which is fabulous because you're able to see either the north side, which would be Buckhead side skyline, or you can see Midtown skyline. So both of them, you're going to be right in the middle of both of them. If you're interested in working with me or my team at The Right Home Expert, please feel free to call me or text me, phone number 904-814-3992. Or, you know what you can do is just share this video with all your family and friends. Remember to like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much again. Look forward to talking to you soon. Goodbye.